It's important because you really don't know how special your Jackson College experience can be until we can be there and show it to you firsthand. It's a free event. Our first 200 students that show up that are registered will get a "It's a Great Day to Be a Jet" t-shirt. We're going to have employers here from the community, so those could be jobs while you're working. Those could be possible apprenticeships or internships in the future. Our full financial aid staff will be here if people still have questions about their financial aid, need help filing FAFSA. Our foundation staff will be here if they have questions about scholarship opportunities. Our lead faculty will be here if they have questions about a program or what might fit them. They will be hour-long tours that go off every half hour, so no matter what time you show up, you'll get a full campus tour. They'll expect to see things on campus that maybe even students don't even know are here. They'll get a tour of the Student Services building, the one-stop shop. They'll get a tour of our theater from our lead theater faculty. They'll get a tour of housing from our housing staff. They'll get to see the new astronomical observatory from our science faculty. They will see the science labs. They will get a tour of the STEAM lab and meet that faculty. And then we'll bring them right back to this building where if they wanted to go into the community rooms and meet faculty, if they wanted to then go in and talk to financial aid staff, they'll be able to do all that stuff within the hour. We'll have like all of our affinity liaisons out here to meet and greet people. Our student groups are going to be here. People don't need to RSVP. We've just asked RSVP so we have enough food and staff here for everybody, as well as enough tour groups going off. You don't have to be here at 12 and you don't have to stay longer than a half hour. It truly is meant to be open house, so if you wake up that day and want to come out, they can come out and we'll find something for them to do during that time.